This song is about the Golden Horse of Moravia and how a young girl's sweet voice thawed the cold heart of the queen. I hope you enjoy it.
In Moravia's heart, where the skies are pristine, lived a girl named Anka with a heart pure and clean. By the sparkling blue stream she would sing and she'd dream, in her village of Brno, where life was serene. Anka, dear Anka, with laughter so bright, your words bring such comfort like a balm in the night. Though life may be hard and the future unclear, your spirit shines through, chasing away all the fear. One day in her garden, a horse golden wise appeared like a dream, a gift from the skies. Come ride with me, Anka, to a land far away, where wonders await and dreams never stray. Anka, dear Anka, with laughter so bright, your words bring such comfort like a balm in the night. Though life may be hard and the future unclear, your spirit shines through, chasing away all the fear. One day in her garden, a horse golden and wise appeared like a dream, a gift from the skies. Come ride with me, Anka, to a land far away, where wonders await and dreams never stray. In a kingdom unknown, where a queen's heart was cold, Anka sang a sweet song, a tale of love to be told. With kindness and laughter, the queen's heart did thaw, and the land filled with joy like never before. Now back in Moravia, where golden horses may roam, Anka's spirit lives on in the place she calls home. So remember this story, let it guide you each day. With love and compassion, you'll find your own way. Anka, dear Anka, your legend lives on in the hearts of the people, in the fields where you've gone. A tale of a girl with a heart full of light, forever in Moravia, shining ever so bright.